Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
In this tutorial, as English teacher, I have given you many different topics, and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related to the topics what is given to you. First and foremost, in the words much more formal, you have to give your introduction, then try to clarify our presentation, which is playing in mind. So, without wasting time, I would like to come to you as an initiator. Please carry on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my respected elders and dear youngers. I am Sudeep here. I read in class 6. My school name is Bachelor MSPC High School. So today I have a very nice topic for discussion. The topic name is online shopping versus offline shopping. Which is best? So to start this point, first of all I want to give the definition. So what is called online shopping? Online shopping means to purchase anything by to use smartphone, and offline shopping means to purchase anything to use physically and present in shop. But now, as to be a supporter of offline shopping, I want to mention that offline shopping is much more better than online shopping, because the main to start in this point, first of all I want to mention that once upon a time when people are much more basically are the user of offline shopping, where offline shopping, but nowadays to standing in 21st century to being so much improvable, we have another choice that is called online shopping. So this online shopping is truly so much helpful and give us lots of help, and also we become so much lazy to depend on it, and also become sluggish, because when we are because to walk through physically and purchase anything, that also called hard work, but this hard work will not help in online. So the next point is bargaining. Bargaining is not and never possible through online shopping, because in online shopping
It's a fixed price.
the fixed price which you get or watch through your smartphone, that we never can bargaining. But in offline shopping, the incident which happened, that if you don't like anything, or the price quality will not preferable or comfortable for you, you can visit another shop and also can buy this bargain it. So that's the in this point, offline shopping is much more better for us.
Thank you very much.
My name is Shreya Ghosh. I read in class 8 and my school name is Sarashundra Balika Vidya Bhavat. Today our topic name is online shopping and offline shopping. To starting this topic, I try to mention the definition of online shopping and offline shopping. Online shopping means shopping with your mobile phone, and offline shopping means physically present in shop. Online shopping and offline shopping both are good, because in this pandemic situation we try to avoid gathering. For this reason we purchase something in online. In online there are many options we have, like one product and 20 colors. But in this point, that online shopping and offline shopping, there are two sides, that good side and bad side. So first I mention the good sides of online shopping. It is good for lazy people, not for lazy people. Every in this standing in this 21st century, in every people was busy, so they are busy, so they can easily purchase any kind of cloth with the help of their mobile phone, and
they can
save their time.
Thank you very much.
My name is Shushmita Maiti. I read in class 10. My school name is Chakradevi Balika Vidyalaya. Our teacher given a good point, good topic, online shopping versus offline shopping. Online shopping and offline shopping both are different. Online, firstly I try to mention about online shopping. Online shopping means technologically presentation. Everything has good and bad side. Online shopping, a good site example. I want give example. One day I use my smartphone and I saw a beautiful dress, and without wasting time I ordered fastly, and after 3 days I get this dress. I think
is a good site.
online shopping is very
nice
important
one.
on life.
Okay, very good.
Good evening, my respected sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So, my name is Sarthak Datta and I read in class 8, Batra MSPC High School. Today, our respected teacher was giving us a nice topic that was online shopping versus offline shopping. We get help from online shopping by using many technical instruments like a smartphone, laptop, or computer, etc.
Very good.
Online shopping was give us a comfort because when we go to a market for buy some clothes or other things, there was some other people and they was irritate us. So online shopping was helping us by many ways. Online shopping was helping us to be a
Not was helping us. No?
help us to be a hard worker person, order anything more and more time in online, we become a lazy person. Amazon, Flipkart and some other apps was help us to buy
Help us,
something,
not was. Helping
help
us.
us to buy something in online. But in my opinion, offline shopping is better than online shopping because in offline shopping we can verify our product by bargaining the amount.
Okay, thank you very much.
I am agree with you, but friends, don't forget the main point of our topic that everybody are not or cannot afford a mobile phone or Android. So for that reason, without mobile phone, we obviously know that online shopping will never possible. Think about those poor people, basically villagers. I don't mention city peoples, basically villagers. Or they can afford to buy a mobile phone or smartphone, then how it is possible to be a online customer? So that is never possible. So for that reason, offline shopping is the last alternative for them. And not only
Only alternative.
alternative for them. So in the next I want to mention that exchange. If you buy anything in online, you never can exchange it because all time we don't know that the product is good, because cash and pay, this similar procedure we should face. So for that reason, that is much more tough for us. And not only that, when we open the box, if the thing is not similar which we order, then we face some problem to exchange it. And not only this, the another point of offline shopping is verify, to verification. In offline shopping, to standing on shop, you can verify the thing to get
Quality of the product.
quality of the thing, amount of the thing, buy to take it in your own hand. But in online shopping, which incident happened that you only can see picture and the picture is not totally helpful to purchase anything.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
I also agree with you. In online shopping don't give us sometime or online shopping don't give us such a type of satisfaction as, because cash on delivery, in case of cash on delivery, we are satisfied, but in case of first cash, then the product is delivered, sometime it would be not came. So there was a bad thing for
Lot of
us,
suffering.
a
No?
lot of suffering, and bargaining in
It's also an issue.
it's also an issue. But in this time, some businessmen are use Facebook for their increase their business. So bargaining, then in Facebook we bargain something, but in I don't mention the Flipkart or Amazon. Then exchange in Flipkart or Amazon, there was a facility to exchange. So there was not the exchange is not a serious issue for me to exchange anything. The next thing is offline shopping. yes, offline shopping is also helpful because you know this product, you buy
can verify this
you
product.
can verify this product. In online, I purchased a window cover, but it's not satisfy me because its color was very fade. So if you purchase anything of offline, then you satisfy, then it is okay.
Personally, you can verify
Personally,
that.
you can verify that. So
But
thank
in
you very
online,
much.
you can't do it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Online shopping, I mention online shopping negative point. Somebody have no smartphone, so they are not a customer of online shopping. They are going to Calcutta Bazaar, near Bazaar, and
Shopping mall.
shopping mall, and get a her
And physically can buy that product.
product.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
In offline shopping, there is make a relation among the shopkeeper and customer, and then the customer believes that the shopkeeper did not cheat him. Online shopping was help us to save our time. Online shopping is cheat as many ways. Like I ordered a shirt and it was delivered to our home. When I open it, the product which I find is not similar as I ordered, and it is not satisfied by me. Every shopkeeper is try to happy his own customer, because when the customer was happy, he was come to return and return in his shop. So in my opinion, offline shopping is better than online shopping.
Very good.
At the conclusion of our topic, I want to mention that online shopping and offline shopping both are play a similar vital role in our life, and both are truly important.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your participation and also given your own opinions and point of views. So thank you for all. Thank you to all.